A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one because it requires more force to do less work. That extra pressure leads to slips and accidents. This simple truth is why the choice between kitchen brands matters so much more than just the logo on the box. When we look at Chef Preserve and Zwilling, we are looking at two very different philosophies of the kitchen. Chef Preserve is built for the pragmatist. It is for the person who wants a kitchen that functions well on a budget. They focus on providing sensible features that cover the basics of daily cooking. You get a tool that looks decent and performs its core task. It is a solid value proposition for a first apartment or a casual home cook. But then you step into the world of Zwilling. This is where the engineering really takes over. Zwilling uses superior grades of stainless steel that undergo advanced manufacturing. We are talking about precision forging. This process creates a blade that is stronger and holds its edge much longer than cheaper alternatives. The balance is meticulous. When you hold a premium knife, the weight should rest naturally in your palm. It should not feel like you are fighting against the metal. Zwilling understands the ergonomics of a long cooking session. They design handles with comfortable contours and durable rivets that stay smooth for decades. This refinement extends to their entire ecosystem of products. Their cookware sets are designed with consistent heat distribution in mind. You do not want a pan that has a flaming hot center and cold edges. That leads to uneven cooking and frustration. The Zwilling uses high-grade materials to ensure the heat moves through the pan perfectly. Chef Preserve keeps things simple. It is functional and honest, but it lacks the thoughtful touches that elevate a cooking experience from a chore to a hobby. If you only cook a few times a week, the budget-friendly option is perfectly fine. It gets the job done without a huge upfront cost. However, if you are someone who finds peace in the kitchen, the premium brand offers a different kind of value. It is about the tactile joy of using a tool that was crafted with precision. It is about the durability that comes from better steel. You are not just buying a pan. You are buying years of consistent performance. Most professional chefs gravitate toward the higher end for a reason. They need tools that can handle the heat and the repetitive motion without failing. Zwilling brings a professional grade into the home kitchen. It is an investment in longevity. You might find yourself replacing cheaper tools every few years as they wear out or lose their shape. A high-quality set can last a lifetime if you take care of it. That is the real cost-benefit analysis. Do you want to pay less now and potentially more later? Or do you want to invest in something permanent? Chef Preserve serves a clear purpose for the everyday user. It is accessible and reliable for basic tasks. But for those who want to feel the difference in every slice and every sear, the heritage and craftsmanship of a premium brand are hard to beat. The choice depends on how much time you spend at the stove and what kind of relationship you want to have with your tools. Some people just want to eat. Others want to cook. Those two goals require very different sets of equipment. Your kitchen is the heart of your home. It makes sense to equip it with tools that match your level of passion and your budget. Whether you choose the affordable utility of one or the refined precision of the other, understanding these differences helps you build a kitchen that actually works for you. Every meal is an opportunity to practice a craft. Having the right steel in your hand makes that practice a lot more rewarding. You deserve a setup that matches your ambition.